They are right on target. Good idea to take the outpost. This move gives you the opportunity to win their pawn. This wins a pawn. A clear recapture. That pawn chain will help strengthen your pawn structure, defending their hanging pawn. You're winning material thanks to the pin on the pawn. Your opponent develops their bishop off its starting square. Taking that pawn will win material for you after the follow-up trades. Recaptures. A logical capture. They made a solid choice and castled same side as you did. You sacrificed your bishop, a stunning move. This move wins a pawn. That's playable. This is a good time for you to get out of trouble. They developed their piece, gaining tempo by attacking your rook. Your rook is no longer hanging and is now defended. This move is dropping a rook, though it doesn't change their losing position. Nice fork, you'll be winning material. This move puts their queen on a safer square. That knight was yours for the taking. They move the queen to safety. It is good strategy to develop your piece and win a tempo on a queen. This move puts their queen on a safer square. You are threatening to force eventual checkmate by removing a defender of a key square. You get a chance to force eventual checkmate by removing a defender of a key square. You have a clear path to a forced checkmate. Just find the right moves.